patient with me. Someone to get money when I take it from me. They don't even need to be as famous as me.
YouTube, what's going on, man? It's your boy Qua, and today we are back with a video, man. I told you I was gonna pick up another camera and vlog down in Miami, man. We are currently at the B&B. Big old man type shit, man. But we about to go out to eat type shit for my birthday. I didn't vlog at the water park. I should have vlogged, but we're going to the water park tomorrow. So I got y'all with a vlog. Me bitching on the water coaster, part one. I was bitching on the water slide today, but you know what I'm saying, that goes. But it's been a little rough day for me, man. I'm just gonna vent to y'all a little quick, tell y'all what's going on. Today I lost my homie, Ivy, man. And yeah, you gotta start vlogging, bro.
I don't feel like carrying that big ass tablet to vlog.
Shit, I would. Like, just lost my homie today. RP Ivy. So I'm just trying to stay strong with that. We're on top of dealing with something we're dealing with already. But honestly, bro, gotta stay tuned, man. Got my videos in the way. I got a POV dropping tomorrow, and the POV gonna be dropping the following day. But man, y'all stay locked in. I'll probably go shopping. I'll probably go to UA. I don't know what the fuck I'm gonna get. I need a new hoodie. I've been wearing this essentially for some time now. Look, it's all stained up. It's like that. I don't like looking like a little bum. But I'm gonna show y'all the lay. So we have on Essential. We have on G-Star and some Yeezys. Underneath I got like this vintage little shirt I got from Urban Outfitters, and I cropped the bottom so it could like fold up almost. But I'm gonna hit y'all when I'm there. Hopefully some stores open so I can get something to like get some retail therapy, because right now I'm mentally not there, bro. I'm just mentally not there. But this is an update. I told you I'm gonna pick y'all up my vlog, because you know what I'm saying, you gotta get back into it. So we're on our way out, everybody behind us, and then catch on them there. I'm gonna do a little POV in my brand new Halifax Chrysler. But with that being said, man, it's your boy Qua. I'm gonna pick y'all up when I'm in there. I'm gonna show what I'm eating. It's your boy Qua. I think I just said that. I'm gonna catch y'all. YouTube. So just caught some Zora from down Florida, man. So well, I'm about to go see what Under Armour got real quick, cause Superdry didn't have no cargos, Zora didn't have no cargos. But we ended up finding this fire windbreaker from down there. So we just picked that up.
And it's now in.
And now might go see what Armour had. I had stop pets. I remember my first stop here, but I didn't like the selection of the shoes they had. And I'm not really trying to go crazy there, but I'm just trying to enjoy myself, because yesterday I went to the water park, I enjoyed myself, but then later on that night, shit got a little wicked, so I couldn't really record, so, you know what I'm saying, but, and then I went out to this place called Rainforest Cafe. 0 out of 10, bro. Threw all my food up. Just, I don't know, like, it just wasn't given. Like, the food there was really disgusting. So, yeah, that happened. Now I forgot to run past this Under Armour, because Under Armour looks a little better than what I was at. It was at an outlet, but I'm at this Disney outlet, and I'm gonna go there, see what they have, and show y'all what they got. See if I get a pair of sweats out of here or something. But we shall see. We're just gonna see if they got something there. I really don't want to go crazy on a pair of sneakers. I don't know if I get them all back to Philly. I did get some props, but it must be a minute upstairs. Let me take the elevator. This is SEMA down here, but I was going to see what they got in here real quick, just to browse, because I got a nice windbreaker, but I want a top. Dude, what's going on, man? It's your boy Qua, back at another video, man. Today we giving y'all a POV in the Halifax, you feel me? So same side. Matter of fact, we gonna go with that. We giving y'all another POV in the Halifax Chrysler minivan. So we dropped the Halifax engine here, man. Everything's plugged and play. And you know, today we're giving y'all a little POV. I am extremely tired, I'm not gonna lie. They're extremely tired, and y'all can see these streets or not, Philly streets. I'm in Florida, man. We in Florida. Florida water, baby. But I actually don't feel like wearing this to the airport. I'm in the airplane with these on all day, so I'm about to go to Nike real quick, grab some Nike pants. And then put my socks on, Nike pants, and my windbreaker. Go back to Philly with some headphones, because I don't feel like hearing people's kids on the fucking plane. So that's what I'm about to do. But I just figured I'd give y'all boys a little POV out the yams because, you know, why not? And you feel me? Just get a little update what the fuck been going on, man. So we took a little trip, get away. Out of resort. Shout out to Yera. You know, took a little trip, got away and shit like that. But, you know, felt good getting away. Definitely felt good getting away, man. You feel me? Can't never go wrong with a little getaway, bro. But, yeah, bro, it definitely feel good to be getting away, bro. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. Go back to Philly, man. I gotta do a lot of stuff, man, as far as rearranging bills, dealing with lawyer fees, and, you know, I lost one of my friends, so I gotta go down to Candlelight, really show my support. This is a lot of stuff, bro. A lot of shit, bro. But shit happens, bro. Feel me? So I don't want to be boring. Plus, I'm not energized to get out POV for so I don't want to bore y'all. So I'm definitely about to just hit y'all when I get there. Make this quick so I get back, take a nap. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I'm saying. But yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all boys on the flip side. Look at that Benz. Look at that Benz truck though. I gotta show look. Shit, that's really nice. But I'm gonna catch y'all when I get back there, get to the store, show out my pickups, things like that. We'll catch y'all boys, man. If y'all watching them 2 vlogs that dropped before this vlog, please like, comment, subscribe. It's free. I'm gonna catch y'all. Dude, what's going on, man? It's your bad boy Qua, back at the crib, back at the B&B type shit, man. Just chilling by the pool the other night. So I just want to react to this real quick to end this vlog off. Basically what I did today, we played ball and we went out and we was at the pool and shit, but I just gotta react to this video, right? And my boy SRT Lee just got booked. This is crazy, bro. Like, bro, owning a Charger in Delaware or Philly is really crazy right now. Like, this shit got me hesitating about blurring my speed out. Like, bro, we is getting targeted. Like, bro, they just pulled up at the car meet and just booked them. Like, this shit crazy, y'all. Like, bro, this ain't no fucking clickbait. Like,
Watch YouTube videos.
and they say he watched his YouTube videos, bro. All right, so I'm gonna give y'all a little rundown real quick, bro, because it's starting to all tie together and make sense. Just a few months back, we lost the YouTube community. We lost Treebody, Atlanta YouTuber. You know, he used to do shit that, you know, us Philly people do. You know what I'm saying? To make it out, especially if you got a, you know, high school diploma, no college degree, you're gonna fall adapted and fall victim to the environment and do what you gotta do to make money and make things meet. You know, he got out of the environment, luckily. He started making YouTube channel videos, you know what I mean? Started making YouTube videos, whatever the case may be, boom, 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 boom. I'm gonna make a long story short. But when I feel like how it's gonna go down in this community right now as far as car content, if we ain't one of them, they're gonna look at our videos and try to form charges. Like, they literally just said that they were working on getting a warrant for his arrest. And one of the officers watches YouTube videos. So literally, when he be like, we gonna take him on a chase, all that stuff, like, now what they're doing is they're taking our YouTube videos and they're literally forming charges against us. Like, we gotta start smartening up in the community, bro. For real. Like, from now on, when y'all see my POVs, my speed will be blurred out just because you got safety precaution, bro. Like, this ain't no fucking clickbait.
If it's a chase, we stopping.
License and registration?
License and registration.
My boy Lord Shift crazy. That boy's smart. But listen, man, I'm just ending off the vlog like that, man. That shit crazy, bro. Like, that shit real life crazy, bro. Like, that shit, wow, bro. That shit frying me. Like, we really getting booked off of our videos, bro. Like, nigga, this just happened to me a couple weeks ago, bro. I was coming home with shit. Trooper hot behind me. I'm in a hood cell for whole 24. Like, this shit crazy, bro. Like, niggas, we have to smarten up, bro. We have to. But, man, make sure I like, comment, subscribe to the channel, man. It's a little small, slight vlog. Out of the yams, you feel me? But I might get y'all a little POV in that motherfucking Chrysler, you feel me? But this is crazy, bro. I can't believe this shit. Like, that shit made me watch half the video and I skipped to the end, bro. That shit, bro, crazy. Like, cops really, now I see why been a bunch of troopers from the county, South Philly, all the way to King of Prussia. It been troopers and state police everywhere, bro. I really just feel like in the charging community, especially in Philly, we growing so fast at a rapid pace. Like, it don't matter if we got a V6 Charger, it don't matter if we got a V8, SRT, 392 SRT. It don't matter if you got a Cat, Red Eye, Trackhawk, SRT Jeep. Like, they really just targeted them, bro, because it's like, look at our content, bro. Like, look how we living for. Like, we making living off of cars, bro. Meanwhile, these cops, they're supposed to do their job, but I feel like cops do their job more pulling cars over than actually go solving people that's getting murdered and killed. Nowadays, in the Philadelphia district, we just had a cop kill a whole person in the car. Nobody got justice for that, but we got people that's getting locked up for trying to change their life. This shit is crazy, bro, but I ain't gonna vent too much on it, but, man, y'all boys be safe, man. This shit crazy. Like, I ain't even have to watch the video too much, bro. Like, look, bro, I'm gonna skip to the part. I'm gonna skip to the part real quick. Like, I'm gonna just skip to the part that fucked me up. Like, you thought they was drawing. I'm gonna just skip to the part that fucked me up.
Can't be doing all this.
Like, now you can tell before the camera was picked up, they was doing burnouts. You know what I'm saying? They probably was sliding. Feel what I'm saying? But
The feds are deep. The feds are coming deep.
the way they pulled up, bro.
The feds go deep for this, though.
Bro. Way they pulled up, bro, is crazy, bro. Hold on, bro. Y'all gotta watch this shit with me, bro.
I got it from Connecticut.
Alright.
This shit crazy, bro.
Alright, so can't be
My boy crazy. He want all the way out connected for a Hellcat? Smart.
doing all this.
Always why I feel smart, because I want all the way out New Jersey for my Hellcat. I mean, my SRT. And I got a better deal.
Okay? Are you the owner of this car? Yeah. Do you have your license and registration? Everything on you?
I don't have my license on me. I can show you a picture.
Hey, yo, smart man. W man. I ain't think about that, bro. Because I ain't going to lie. Most of the time when he taking these cops on the chase move, I ain't going to, allegedly, in GTA. You feel what I'm saying? I'm not going to say he be taking them on the chase in his videos because he don't. But in GTA, when you taking the cop on the chase, I would see why you wouldn't have your license. Because once they come into the car, they always say license registration. Oh, I don't got my license. All right, can I show you a picture? All right, cool. You feel what I'm saying? Smart man.
Yeah, that's fine.
Not saying I'm thinking about doing it, just saying.
Same,
Bro, y'all see in the vid, bro, how she tried to come at the bull. Like, I don't know if I can see it, but it's upside down, but y'all get the point. Like, well, the camera upside down. But, like, she told the bull, you can't be over here with them doing all that. That shit is crazy.
I understand it, but you're with me. Alright?
Now he's guilty by affiliation. This is fucking crazy, bro. Like, all them fucking troopers, bro. And he thinking it's a big whole time. He laughing because he thinking nothing gonna happen. So they just parked up and chilling.
They came deep.
Nigga,
Damn, you still coming?
he should have known. Hey, bro, Lee, if you watching this, my boy, you should have known your ass was going to jail, bro. I ain't gonna lie. The night when they came and got, man, look, there was one cop, then there was two cops. The third one, I said, yeah, I'm going to jail. Not jail, home cell, but yeah, y'all get the point.
I watch your YouTube videos, man. They're pretty good.
Thank you.
Yeah, no problem. Do you have your ID on you?
I got
But look how he was profiling them. He said, they're pretty good.
I don't know.
Oh, all right, man. Do you want to hold this camera for him?
Y'all peep that shit. He's profiling this boy. Yo, listen.
What's this for? So I'm going to put him under arrest.
Why?
Because you have a warrant
For what?
for driving poorly.
For driving poorly. You heard how he said that shit? Driving poorly. Yo, profiling at his finest. Look at
You
him.
can call her when we get back to the church. Do you want to hold it?
Look, and now those who don't know, right? When you get with them boys, if you behind them, the wholesale, wherever you with them boys, listen. You get one phone call, two at the most if you got somebody that got a heart, but it's really one phone call. If that phone call don't go through, it's over. You know what I'm saying? Like, they fucked up, bro. This shit fucked up, bro. Like people don't understand, like, inflation, recession, and the time of living right now, our currency ain't shit, because every time the inflation happen or recession happen, the cost of everything goes up. Real estate is correcting itself. The car market is correcting itself, and while the car market is also correcting itself, we have car salesmen that's also scamming us out the market, trying to make us put down payments on cars and things like that. When you run your Social Security actually gets you approved for the loan. It gets real deep, y'all. But we gonna get back to this video real quick.
That video? Why can't I hold my call my mom?
Thanks.
He can't even call his mom.
Put your phone down. I'm gonna put you in handcuffs, okay? Serious?
Yeah, serious.
Which car is it? Which car were you in? Hello.
Fucked up. He just got that Hellcat. They already tried to take that shit from him. And what's gonna happen is they're gonna try to suspend his license. Now, since he's a content creator on the YouTube side with car shit, excuse my French, but when he's a YouTuber with the car scenes, they're gonna try to suspend his license so he can't drive a car. Anytime he drive a car, it's gonna be like almost how Tree Body was. If anybody peeped what Tree Body was driving, I felt like Tree didn't have a license at the time, and he wasn't supposed to be driving, but Tree was actually driving. You feel what I'm saying? But his videos were so played off right where, as though, you know, when he was in the daytime filming, it was nobody there. But when that camera was off, he probably swapped, and then they came back in the camera when the crane pick on. Y'all don't know what happens behind the scenes. You feel what I'm saying? But it's crazy.
Hi.
Which car are you in tonight? This white one? This white one?
Okay.
Mom. Here. Mom, they say I have a warrant. They said I have a warrant.
I'll tell her. They said he has a warrant.
Why?
Why do you have a warrant?
For driving poorly?
For driving poorly?
Why would he have a warrant?
And my thing is, bro, all right, in videos when he's sliding, all right, y'all could bang him on that. But if he ain't speeding in videos, like I don't think he got one POV video on his channel. You feel me? Everything is cut up. So how y'all really know if he's driving poorly on the daily? Bro, y'all just going off of YouTube, bro. Don't get me wrong, bro. YouTube definitely could criminalize you at some times. Because how they doing it is now is they looking at our YouTubes and they're finding out how they can pin charges on us because they're off our videos. But it's more fucked up because it's like, this is people living and y'all just fucking up their living. You feel what I'm saying?
No, he's paid all of his stuff.
They said he was driving poorly.
Or from previous actions, it is in a parking lot doing donuts and spinning out.
He was in a previous accident. Since when? Like, come on. Y'all talking about the Daytona? Come on, bro. That shit fry me, bro. That shit weird, bro. That shit weird, bro. These cops find any way. This how you know it ain't real. This how you know. This how you know it ain't fake, bro. Look. They told his will, bro. That shit fucked up, bro. But listen, man. Y'all boys made it to the end of the video, man. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe to the channel, man. I'm gonna give y'all this video today, a little vlog down Miami, man. You feel me? And then I'm gonna give y'all a POV. And when I get back to Philly, I'm gonna give y'all a POV. But while I'm down here, I'm gonna try to drop two videos a day, man. I'm gonna drop it tonight. I'm dropping tomorrow morning. I'm dropping when I leave. And I'm gonna give y'all a POV when I get back to Philly, man. But this shit getting crazy, bro. If you're a Philly YouTuber, bro, like if you're a YouTuber in Philly, you do the cover content, bro, tighten up, bro. These cops ain't playing, bro. Like lately, what I've been noticing because I deliver. When I'm delivering all the way out Malvern and Phoenixville to King of Prussia to Philly, it's troopers. And they ain't by the one, they by the threes. You feel what I'm saying? So in total, you may pass 6 troopers before you even get to Philly. Yeah, bro, y'all just tighten up out there, man. It's your boy Quad to be the gang. Subscribe to the channel, like, comment. And tell me what y'all think in the comment section, bro. I'm interested to hear like what y'all feel like. We're gonna make this a little talk. But yeah, bro, this shit crazy. I gotta tighten up, my boys.